Hello, how are you? Now the question is m minus 1 whole cube is equal to 64. We have to find the value of m. Solution is m minus 1 cube is equal to 64. Now we bring 64 on left hand side to change n into a formula. M minus 1 whole cube minus 64 is equal to 0. Now we factorize 64. First we divide it with 4. 16, 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3. 4 cube is equal to 0. Now m minus 1, we use formula. We use formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now m minus 1 m minus 1 minus 4 into m minus 1 whole square plus m minus 1 into 4 plus 4 square is equal to 0. Now we simplify these two brackets. M minus 1 plus minus 4 is equal to m minus 5. And now we open these brackets. M square minus 2m plus 1 plus 4m minus 4 plus 16 is equal to 0. Now m minus 5 into m square plus 2m. 4m minus 2m is equal to 2m plus 13 is equal to 0. Now we solve. M minus 5 is equal to 0. M is equal to 5. Now we solve this equation. Plus 2m plus 13 is equal to 0. Now we use quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 13. Then m is equal to, this is our first solution. M is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then m is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 13 over 2 into 1. Now m is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root 4 minus 52 over 2. M is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root minus 48 over 2. Now m is equal to minus 2 plus minus, we factorize 48, 16 into 3 into minus 1 over 2. Then m is equal to minus 2 plus minus, the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Now it becomes 3 into minus 1 is equal to iota square over 2. Then m is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4, square root of iota square is equal to iota under root 3 over 2. Now it becomes m is equal to, taking 2 common, 2 minus 1 plus minus 2 iota under root 3 over 2. 2 is cancelled. Then m is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2 iota under root 3. This is our final solution. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.